what we're going to do is we're going to have a brief show and tell for anybody who brought robots to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, who needs setup time? Anyone need setup time? Okay, you want to come up and tell us about your robot? What's your name?
Sarani Aragalindra.
Sarani?
Sarani Aragalindra.
Okay. Hey, everyone here, tell us about your robot.
My robot's name is Rex, and
Could you turn and face people and say?
My robot's name is Rex, and I programmed him to look for an object. And
can people hear or no?
Yeah, I can. Oh yeah.
You're in the front row.
Yeah.
I programmed him to turn around looking for the object, and when he sees it, he moves forward towards it and stops.
Okay. So you can, is this the object? Can you hold it up to your mouth?
Yeah.
Thank you. Who's anyone else? Anyone there? Oh, okay. So. Can't hear. Anyone hear?
I think it's off.
And he's a new robot.
What's its name?
I guess it's Solar Tank.
Solar Tank, okay.
Solar.
It's Solar Tank.
Since it has solar.
It has a solar panel, okay.
It's supposed to be a table bot.
Okay.
It works with
Alan, you got a lot of hits and
I
noises.
have like an app that works with it. That works with it.
Okay.
I have to turn it on.
And what's it gonna do?
Well,
Alan, have her stand on the other side of the table.
it can do phase one
Can you
of.
come back? Is it gonna fall off the table?
No.
Table bot.
It can do phase one.
Don't do that,
Don't.
Alan.
It will do it
It'll
itself.
take its table.
Okay.
It can do. It's a table bot for a reason.
Okay. She's vicious. She's vicious. She threw Alan Marquette under the bus too.
You hear, Alan?
Alan Marquette says she's awesome. Yeah, I'm awesome. Okay, can you do phase 2 or just phase 1?
Pretty. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
I was going to do phase 2.
I think you can. Kawan, usari. Tuh. Lu kawan. What?
What?
I don't know all the secrets to my own robot.
I thought it protected the edge.
That's it. I know a shortcut to it. Nope.
Got a down piece.
Lu
of
kawan
wood.
tadi.
Yeah, but if it goes off,
Oh yeah.
it will.
No? Ah, oops. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
No.
Yep.
All right. Thank you. Right. That's a hard one to follow. Anyone else want to come up? So for people who've been here first time, we've been running for, what, 13 years? 13? The TableBot Challenge. We'll be having a phase 2 challenge next month. Phase one is for a robot that lives on the table to go from one end of the table and go to the other end of the table and not fall off the table. Or survive if it falls off the table, that's
Phase
allowed.
4.
The table size is not specified, the table color is not specified, so that's phase one. Phase two, the robot has to find some object and push it off the table. In phase three, the robot has to retrieve the object and bring it back to some base, usually a shoebox, but again, it's unspecified. We also been, for the last 2 years, doing something called Floorbot Challenge, and that's even has less rules. Robot lives on the floor and tries to retrieve objects and move things around. Okay, so
We've got ours here.
yeah, we have a floor bot that occasionally may retrieve objects and return them to a base. Okay. Anyone else have a robot to show? So it looks like you have an Arduino Mega, 3 sonar sensors, and you're hooking up your computer now.
Alright, so,
Okay, what's your name?
my name is Sylvia, and then this, I've been working on Arduino and Python this summer, and this is supposed to, like, when I move my hand across these 3 ultrasonic sensors, it's supposed to move an image on Python, like it's serial.
So you write directory?
Yeah.
Serial exception, I'm not finding the serial port.
It's funny, we have 500 people debugging the code. That's good. I would do it too, but I can't see the screen. So how old are you?
Like 12.
Oh, and knows Python. And why are you using a Mega as opposed to an Uno?
Because like we only have like a Mega, and my dad just bought an Uno.
Okay.
And the other Uno is used for the club bot we used
Okay.
before.
The Megas have more serial ports.
Yeah, more UARTs, right?
What's your name?
Alright, so it should move it.
Okay, it's moving it.
It's hard to do it on this. Alright, let's restart it.
So you have 3 sonar sensors.
Alright,
Are
so,
you looking at all of them at the same time, or are you holding the serial?
yeah. And then it should.
Okay, he's back. He's moving the other way. He's moving back and forth. Does he go up and down as well?
No.
Just back and forth.
Well, after this, I'm working on like moving a bunch of images with these.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Where you shared your family's remote control, or is that another young man?
That's another person.
Okay, all right. It's pretty sophisticated stuff for someone who's 12. else has a robot? Okay. So another potential club member there.
So hi everyone, my name is Sean, and this is a small side project of mine.
Can everyone hear?
Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
All right. So this is a small side project of mine, and what I'm doing is making a robotics platform all out of non-3D printed or laser cut parts, basically wood and hacksaw. So the objective is to just have a robot that could avoid obstacles with some ultrasonic sensors in the front and back, and some limit switches in the front. And so none of this is connected right now or working, so I can't demo it, but it's a work in progress. And on the top, what I plan to do is have a turret with a camera, so it could do some object tracking with a Raspberry Pi using the OpenCV library. And so it's just kind of want to have a feedback control loop to use the camera to tell the Arduino, the Raspberry Pi with the camera to tell Arduino which direction to drive in. So yeah, that's my project.
This is the first time you come to one of our meetings, right, Sean?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all right. Well, what we'd like to do next is, yeah.
One thing. Can I give a spiel for our challenge next month?
Okay, absolutely.
And where's the VGA connection?
Right there.
Hi, my name's Camp Peavy, and why is it not on yet?
Have you heard the word?
Yeah, have I heard the word? Projector only. Okay, this should be fun. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
That we can.
Thank you for that. Okay, so I didn't want this month to pass. The presentation is lessons learned in recent competitions. I didn't want this month to pass without talking about the DARPA Robotics Challenge. And here is the winning robot from this. Is Team Keist from South Korea. It's $1 million prize. Incidentally, all the robots in the DARPA Robotics Challenge used ROS, Robot Operating System. So this guy's going up the stairs backwards. You can hear the crowds cheering. This is Hubo for Team Keist from South Korea. Let's see here. Bear with me.
Whoa, there are so many people.
Okay, so here's the winners here. Team Keist got the $1 million prize. Team IHMC, this is Institute of Human Machine Cognition out of Pensacola, Florida, won $1 million prize. Now they got here by doing the virtual challenge, so they got a loaner, the robot was named Running Man, from Boston Dynamics, Atlas robot. So they didn't have to spend any money to build a robot. They got loaned a robot, so they get the whole $1 million. That's the Institute of Human Machine Cognition out of Pensacola, Florida. They didn't do too badly. And then third, oh, this is funny. Let's watch this. These are like lessons learned here. Again, I didn't want this month to pass without talking about this. That's Carnegie Mellon's robot Tartan. That's a Oh, that's Running Man. That's the one that actually got second place. So there's 8 challenges. First, the robot has to drive a car, then it has to open a door, then it has to turn a valve, then it has to cut a hole in a wall with a power tool, it has to navigate rubble, and then finally climb stairs. There's 8 challenges. 3 robots completed all 8 challenges. Yeah, we don't have to worry about the robot apocalypse anytime soon, right?
$3 million.
So, you know, the 3 robots that completed the challenge, Team Keist, the Running Man, and then Tartan from Carnegie Mellon University. Carnegie Mellon's robot was the only robot that after it fell down was able to pick itself up. So, you know, here we are talking about lessons learned in recent competitions. Looks like sand in the belt here.
Very standard. Looks expensive.
So here you can see it's actually picked itself up. This was on the first run. They accomplished all 8 tasks. And again, you see where if it hadn't have been able to pick itself up, they wouldn't have completed the task and won the $500,000. So, you know, in essence, I guess what I want to say here is, quote Vince Lombardi, is it doesn't matter whether you get knocked down, it matters whether or not you get back up. Okay? So next month, we're having our HBRC, our 13th annual HBRC Challenge Phase 2. The meetings all show and tell. That is to say, this is not the come be entertained by robots club. This is a builder's club. You're to build stuff and bring stuff. So next month, the robot that you built last month may have worked perfectly, may not have, but bring it again. Make it better. Show it off. There's people here that haven't seen your robot, and the magic of the event is, you know, not just, you know, one thing. It's everybody bringing their projects, finished or not, you know, whatever state they are. We've got a variety of events. We've got the table bot challenge, we've got the floor bot challenge, which incidentally, the 3 phases are go from one end of the room to the other and back. Phase 2 is to find an object in the room. Phase 3 is to fetch that object. We'll have the robot dance party again. We'll have Ralph Phipps' amazing line challenge, and we have Run What You Brung. So bring your robots next month. It's all show and tell. It's phase 2 of our 13th annual HBRC challenge. Thank you very much.
I apologize for our sort of late start, but this point of our meeting, we have a 5-minute break before our main meeting starts. So if you need to use the restroom, go get it. We'll follow it by our main meeting topic, lessons learned from robotics competition, which will be panel discussion format.